All right, y'all, we are back. We're going to do a quick long-term investment update for you guys today. As you can see, we had an alert from Keon on the 9th of February. It says adding Vktx to his TD Ameritrade account. He says he already has it in his Dub Invest account. And at the time, he said soon you'll be able to copy, and now that is available. So be sure to check out Dub Invest, guys, and follow Keon's portfolio if you are interested. And as you can see right here, he filled at 31.23. Then you could see a quick update yesterday on those 80 shares, up 21.42%. And then we move on to the Professor and Keon Alerts channel. And earlier on today, sold 50 out of the 80 shares at 70.07. But as we saw, VKTX hit just about $85 for 120% on the day, which was absolutely crazy. So that's going to do it for our quick recap today, guys. Make sure you click the link in the bio to get started, and we'll see you on the next one.